Hello, my name is Karan Sethi, Director of Man Machine Works Private Limited, pioneers of mechanized cleaning business since 1987. And I want to introduce you to Express Car Wash, a unique mechanized car cleaning and car detailing concept which delivers a clean and shiny car to customers in just 20 minutes. I'm offering you a franchise concept on which we have worked for 20 years. We strongly believe in this business, and that's why we're running 10 profitable company-owned centers in Delhi NCR. Why car wash business? 1. India is today's world's fourth largest producer of cars in the world. The car population is growing. 2. Most households have 2 cars today, and people are buying a car before they buy a house. 3. As people are becoming time poor, they look forward to more convenient and professional services, where they can clean and polish their cars in the shortest time. 4. Domestic help is getting scarce, and people love their cars, especially young people. And if they take their cars to an OEM service center, they get cars after 8 hours. Why Express Car Wash franchise? 1. We are a 30-year-old company and an ISO 9001-2008 compliant firm. Cleaning is our core business, and we bring experience. 2. We use innovative steam and hot water technology and environment-friendly products. 3. We have a unique online CRM software that will facilitate all CRM activities in your area, including billing. 4. With over 40 ECW stores running successfully, we can assure you this is the best investment opportunity. 5. Man Machine is exclusive distributor in subcontinent of all products used in Express Car Wash. These products are approved by leading companies such as Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, Renault, BMW, Jaguar Land Rover, and Bajaj, to name a few. 6. Our products are serviced at 56 locations across the country, so we won't leave you high and dry after selling you the franchise. 7. A European MNC now produces car wash chemicals for us in India, so you will get international level products at Indian prices. 8. We provide free installation and training to all our franchises, and I give free training upgrades every 6 months at your location. 9. Complete guidance and site visits in choosing location, designing of car wash centers, and setup. 10. 20% off franchising fees is spent on joint promotion with you in your area promoting your outlet. 11. Ready designs are all advertising materials, stationery, and maintenance checklists provided to you. 12. We also support uniforms for staff and all initial branding. 13. Centralized digital marketing support to build your online campaign. 14. Through Express Car Wash, you can offer 20 car washes and detailing programs. We offer you ultimate ceramic coating, Opticoat, under exclusive agreement for franchising stores from USA. 15. With our franchise, you can get up to 100% ROI, which makes it the best investment opportunity. 16. Express Car Wash was listed as the top 100 franchise brands in India in a survey by Franchise India. What we need from our franchisees? 1. Enthusiastic about car wash business and new technologies. 2. Capability to invest 12 to 18 lakhs. 3. Space from 800 to 1,200 square feet in a good location. 4. 6 months running costs and branding besides initial investment. 5. Able to participate in digital marketing and tech savvy. 6. Customer and service oriented. So what are you waiting for? Visit us at www.expresscarwash.com or call us at 80-100-44,000 and let's join hands to help you start your new venture.